the best thing ever. I hope you have your cup of chai with you. Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today we're talking about the Realme Watch 3 Pro. Realme and Dizzo have been doing a great job in the smartphone accessories department. Both of these brands have launched some really good products and these products have been value for money as well. Smartwatches, smart bands, TWS earbuds, neckband earphones and a bunch of other things. When it comes to smart wearables in India, we have two types of brands. First up, we have brands like Firebolt, Boat, Go Noise who have a very big market share but they do not do a lot of innovative stuff. They just import products from China, customize them, change the packaging a little bit and just sell it to the masses. But on the other hand, we have brands like Realme, Dizzo, Xiaomi, Amazfit who are doing a very good job in the smart wearables category. Realme Watch 3 Pro is a prime example of that. Let's start by talking about that beautiful display. Realme Watch 3 Pro comes with a 1.78 inches Amoled display. That's awesome. It has a brightness of 500 nits and the display quality is really good on this watch. Like as soon as I unboxed this product and started using it, my first reaction was that this display is awesome. Now obviously this is not an edge-to-edge display. You will get a pretty thick bezel around the display. That is in all budget smartwatches and this one has that too. Now what about the touch sensitivity? Normally in budget smartwatches the touch sensitivity is not that great, but Realme Watch 3 Pro makes an exception over here. The touch sensitivity is awesome with the Realme Watch 3 Pro. I absolutely love the smoothness of it. Talking about smoothness, the UI is fluid and offers a lag-free experience. So I've been using this watch for the past couple of days or so and in my testing period I did not notice any major lags whatsoever. The UI has been smooth, which is pleasantly surprising. Moving on, let's talk about one of the most important features with this watch and that is Bluetooth calling. Normally in budget smartwatches you don't get the ability to answer calls on your watch, but with this one you do get that. Basically, you can answer calls directly from your smartwatch using the Bluetooth calling feature. The speaker is plenty loud and the microphone quality is good as well. So if you want to quickly answer calls on your watch, then you can definitely do so with the Realme Watch 3 Pro. I'm glad that Realme has put this feature inside this watch. And yeah, the Realme Watch 3 Pro also comes with standalone GPS. So if you want to go for a walk or run and don't take your smartphone with you, then you can do that. It has standalone GPS. Now this is a smartwatch. You get multiple sports mode like cycling, running, walking, etc. You also get the heart rate sensor and SpO2 monitor. So if you want to track your heart rate and SpO2, then you can definitely do so. If you talk about notifications, yes, you can get all your notifications right on your wrist. And for that, you can use the Realme Link application. So you have to pair this watch with the Realme Link application. And inside that application, you can customize notifications. If you want only specific apps to send you notifications, then you can definitely do so. Now, talking about the Realme Link app, it is great. You can customize all your watch settings from the Realme Link app. You can also change the watch face. There are a bunch of them available. And on this AMOLED display, watch faces look really good, like they pop out. Now this gets me to battery life and charging. Now Realme claims that you will get a battery life of up to 10 days with this smartwatch, but in my testing period, I got somewhere around 6 to 7 days of battery life, which is still okay. It's not great battery life, but it is not bad either. It's okay battery life. Also, you get magnetic charging with this watch, so you are sorted in terms of charging, and it is kind of slow charging. It is not fast charging, it's kind of slow charging. Now I know everyone is going to ask, what about the pricing and availability? Now as and when I am shooting this video, I do not know the price of this smartwatch. My bet is going to be somewhere around 5 to 6,000 rupees for this watch, and if it comes at that price, then it is a great smartwatch and you can definitely go ahead and buy it. I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So I was just editing the video and the price of this watch is out. It's 4,500 rupees, and for this price I feel that the Realme Watch 3 Pro is a great one. If you are considering buying a new smartwatch under 5,000 rupees, then you can consider this one. I've been loving the experience. No major con whatsoever. The overall experience has been great. Also, I forgot to mention that you get always on display with this watch, but always on display will consume more battery. Like it will drain in like 2 to 3 days as opposed to 6 to 7 days without always on display. So yeah, you can keep that in mind. So anyway, that's been it. This was the Realme Watch 3 Pro. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.